Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I promised the other day that that would be the last one. And then somebody sent me another idea, and you can see the wireframe of it. I was always using a circle. I'm still going to use a circle to start, and I'll make the circle 20 inches and hit P, put it in the center of the page. But he suggested to use an oval. So we can make an oval and make it with the ratio locked. That doesn't really matter. You can make that 20 inches, hit P, put it in the center of the page, Control D. Nice thing about it, it's going to rotate from the center anyway and go 20, or no, we want to go 10, I'm sorry. 10 degrees, Control D, all the way around, don't go but through there. And now you have a completely different shape. Now, I'm going to take that same circle and move it up. Let me set my nudge factor on like 25. Take that circle and move it out of the way so I can use it. And then I'm going to nudge this one up. Put this one back by just hitting P. Now I'm going to use another ellipse, and you could have used the same one, but this time just make it 10 inches tall. And how do we get it in the right position? You could select it, hit P, and then select both and hit T like in Tom to get it to the top. Now this time you're going to have to move the rotation to the quadrant. It doesn't always look like it might be in the right spot because we got so much going on there, but we are. And then I'm going to rotate, I'm going to Control D, 10 degrees. I didn't evidently Control D. Rotate it 10 degrees. And then do that all the way around. Just watch when you come back around that you don't go too far. Now we got a totally different look. But watch what happens when we add that other dimension. Let's Control G to group this together and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now we have a totally, well, that doesn't look very good. Let me see what something happened. That's not what I was expecting. You know what, maybe if we take that and rotate at 5 degrees, there we go. We get a total different look. And then I'm kind of getting away from the very first video. In the very first video, he actually wanted to cut the diamonds out. But this is just kind of showing you how you could get a complete different look with just a different bunch of shapes. Let's even zoom in a little more and get all of them. We could even go there and there and there and there. You're getting a whole bunch of different shapes of diamonds. Now what I'm going to do to make it easy, I'm going to grab that, I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Then I'm going to nudge that to the top, I'm going to nudge that back. I'm going to actually go to Control G. And let's zoom in here and Control D to make a duplicate of it. Double click on it. When you see something like that, you've got the line or the indexing line. And if you have snap to the guidelines on, it should snap right to the center. And then rotate this 10 degrees. Control D, 20 degrees. And then all the way around. Total different. My laptop says that sometime. Control D, and then you just go add 10 degrees to 90. Control D. A total different. I mean, look at the two we just designed, or I designed that earlier, and you get a totally different look. Pretty cool looking design. Almost bothers your eyes. But anyway, that's the same thing with using an oval. And you don't have to use both sets as you could just use this one set to make the diamond shape or use this set. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.